So guys, I have this laptop at the moment and we have a bad keyboard. Actually the keyboard got wet, so it is shorting out the motherboard. I have already removed the back cover. It's just 4 screws for this model. You take the back cover off, and so you take the back cover off, and then we actually need to remove the battery and the motherboard in order to do a keyboard replacement. So let me just turn the laptop around just to show you. How it looks like. So if it happens that you have one and you're not certain about the model number, this is the laptop here. So this is it, and it's actually looking lovely, and it's actually looking strong as well. So guys, we're going to replace the keyboard. Definitely we need to remove all the screws. We have the screws for the hinges, we have the motherboard screws, we have screws for the heat sink, we have for the battery. So we're going to remove all the screws entirely. So yeah, so far guys, I have actually took down the motherboard, and there's a lot of different things that you have to unplug. So after you remove the screws for the hinges, you have the LCD screen. You also have another connector right here, and that one is covered, so you have to remove the covering first. And when you remove the covering, as you can see, this one is the one that slides out, so you remove this one. Also, you have the charging port here. This one plugs in there. We have the antenna cables that we already unplugged from the network card, and we do have the speaker wire here. This one attached to the fan and plugs in right here. We have this ribbon here, this one. You have to unplug this one from there. And well, I already unplugged the battery as well, so the battery is unplugged. Also, we do have 2 ribbons here as well. You have to unplug those, and you will see all the screws that need to be removed. As you can see here, you have this one here, you have one here, you have one here. And you don't necessarily need to remove the heat sink. Some of them normally bolt underneath, so there's no need to remove the heat sink. So definitely guys, we are looking good. So I can just remove the entire thing. You need to be careful with this part of the board when removing, because it's very fragile and it's a bit hard to remove out of the groove. So what we did here, as you can see, let me just clear this cable out of the way. You have a look at this laptop. This was wet. It is functional. I already tested this laptop and it is functional. The only thing that is not working is the keyboard. So this is what we're going to be removing. So guys, this is hard to remove. You have to take your time. These plastic clip, take your time, pop them up. Yeah, we have some on this side. Yeah, so sure. have to do. Okay, so once I get this off, I can start taking it off just like this. So we are out of the woods. To do here now, we just need to remove this keyboard. So what we need to do, the keyboard is actually sealed down as well, so we have to pop the keyboard out. Okay, let's see. We need to be careful because there are some joints that we don't want to damage. So, yeah. So there we go. So what I can do, just to get away from trouble, I can remove the screen. And this is the frame, right? So I do have a replacement to go here. So guys, this is how we are going to put in the keyboard. We have to seal those plastic areas so we can get the keyboard go in tight as possible. When we finish, we have the LED light for the keyboard. We have to stick this on, so this is what shows the light. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like from inside. So guys, if you look, I am going to seal the plastic areas. You can see here another one here. Some of them are actually broken off, but guys, we're going to seal this up, then we are going to stick the LED light for the buttons, and then we're going to put up the laptop. I actually have all the parts here, including the screen and everything. So basically guys, if you look from the top, it's looking great. It's looking great, but we have to ensure that everything is sealed down and in perfect position. So that's what we're going to be doing. So guys, what we're going to be doing here, we are going to stick the LED light. So we have to take this off. And we are sticking it this way. Now we have to put this back on. So I'm going to just clean it off and put it back on. So this got to go here. Just gotta go right here. For motherboard. So you're going on a laptop, yeah. Boy, nobody never do me so, but trust me. She bold boy.